My name is Elvis, and today I'm going to show you how to design the World Olympics logo in Corel Draw. Step 1. Insert your ellipse tool, which is circle, then in the menu bar of your Corel Draw locate and change the curve style to any of these, but make sure to adjust the space to something smaller like this one. Step 2. Press F12 on your keyboard, and then select the border width. But make sure it is visible. Just like what you see. Step 3. Locate the plus button on the extreme right of your keyboard, and then press it 4 times to duplicate the inserted curve. Step 4. Separate the duplicated curves to make them look like this. Now take a breath and have a cup of coffee. Elvis will be right back.
Why you and your mommy doesn't mean to die? Baby, but I get you back, easy with the guy. Tell me, cuddle, not your promise, won't die.
Step 5. Highlight the second and the fourth curves, and move them down slowly holding the Shift key on your keyboard. You have 10 seconds to do that. Final step. Done moving the curves down? Make sure it looks like this. Now click the curves one by one and right-click on their specific colors on the color palette: blue, yellow, black, green, red. Now rotate the curve slowly till it matches with the given points. If you like this video, support by subscribing to our channel, and make sure to give us a thumbs up. Thank you.